Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Lintech. So, a lot of you have been reporting that you're still having trouble logging into your PLDT, My DSL, Fibr, Ultera, and any other PLDT routers. So, today, tutulungan ko kayo i-clarify ano bang password or which password is the right one to use for your specific router. So, as an example, as you can see here, we have several types of PLDT routers. So, ayan, from Ultera to Fibr, iGateway, Lintech, and iba-iba. And even the most common one, which is ProLink. So, I have 10 new accounts today to show you alin ba talaga yung right password that you can use for your device. So to start off, I'll be showing you the different accounts for ProLink. As you can see here, this is the ProLink router. It's colored white, and then the lights can be found at the bottom of the router. So if you go to 192.168.1.1, this is the most common account. Username admin and password is 1234. So just paste that, and you'll end up in this login page. So enter the username admin and password 1234. But for me, also take note, for me, I won't be using 1234 kasi pinalitan ko na siya, diba? Siyempre for security purposes, kaya nga natin tinuturo ito para mapalitan nyo yung sarili nyong password. So obviously, hindi na 1234 yung password ko. Gagamitin ko na yung personal password ko kasi hindi ko to first time mag-login. But if it's your first time to log in, of course, gagamitin nyo is admin and password is 1234. Click login, and this is the settings that you will get. So for other routers naman, example, hindi nag-work yung admin and 1234, and you also want advanced settings. So we have password number 2, which is this one, 192.168.1.1/super. So yung iba nagtatanong, before gumagana sa kanila yung super, and then username admin PLDT and password 12345678890. Before gumagana yan, pero ngayon, as you can see, file not found. So for other users, gumagana pa to eh. May mga iba pang routers na gumagana to, pero ayan, as an example, sa atin, ayan, ayaw na, error, file not found. So if hindi na rin gumagana yung super.htm na login page sa inyo, dito na tayo sa password number 3. Ito, try natin yung create. Kasi usually, kaya hindi nag-open yung page na admin cell or admin page. Kasi wala pa kayo nakikreate na password. Kaya kahit anong try nyo na login dito, ayan, example. I'll be entering the admin cell URL and then entering my default admin account. Oh, it worked. But yeah, as you can see, wala pa rin yung advanced options. So, I think, nilagin lang niya tayo sa default lang rin na account 168.1.1. Ayan, nilagin lang niya tayo dun sa admin, normal admin account, hindi dun sa admin cell. So, ayan, enter ulit natin. Tapos, usually, ang username dito sa admin cell is adminpldt. Di ba? Adminpldt. Tapos, 12345678890. Ayan, username password error. So, kaya error yung username password nyo sa admin cell is because hindi pa nakaset up yung user, yung admin user na PLDT. Hindi nila sinet up. Kaya kahit anong try nyo, hindi talaga papasok yun ngayon kasi binago nga nila yung setup. So, step 1, para ma-configure natin yung password for admin cell, lagay muna tayo sa basic user. Lagin muna tayo as basic user. So, lagin muna tayo dito sa 192.168.1.1. And then, enter the default basic user account. Admin tapos 1234 para sa inyong first timers. Kung hindi nyo pa nababago yung password, login. Tapos, ito, enter nyo to. 192.168/userconfig PLDT admin.htm. Ayan. Kopya nyo yan, tapos i-type nyo dito. Paste. Ayan, userconfig admin.htm. Once nakalogin kayo using your basic admin account, once you're logged in using admin1234, you should now be able to open userconfig PLDT admin. And click enter. And then you should see this screen. This is the first time login screen. This is where you will input the password for your PLDT admin cell account. This is the admin PLDT account. Username admin PLDT. So, and we'll set up a new password. Make sure it's a long password as well para mahirap i-hack, syempre. And then confirm. Just repeat the password. And click modify. And there you go. Afterwards, pag nag-login na kayo dun sa PLDT admin cell and enter admin PLDT and the password that you just created, there you go. Makukuha na natin yung advanced settings. So, yun yung, that's the usual issue kapag we try to access the admin page or advanced admin page of PLDT routers. We immediately try to open this page, PLDT admin cell, without knowing that we don't have a PLDT user configured yet in our router. So, in short, wala pang PLDT admin account. Kaya kahit anong login natin dito sa PLDT admin cell, hindi siya makapasok. So, yun ang problema. So, again, ulitin lang natin. Kapag gano'n yung nangyari, hindi kayo makapasok kasi wala pang account, punta muna kayo sa 192.168.1.1. Yan yung basic. Login as basic user. Admin lang, and then the default password, which is 1234, or if you already changed your password, enter the password that you created. After logging in as basic admin, go to this address. 192.168.1.1/userconfig_PLDT_admin.htm, and then change the password. Most probably may existing ng password pero hindi na siya 12345678990. So you need to go to this page to change the admin password or the PLDT admin password. Okay, gets na guys? Hopefully this one will finally work for most of you having trouble accessing the PLDT administrator webpage. Okay, so again, I'll demo to you admin PLDT and then enter the password that you created in this page, userconfig PLDT admin. Once you've created the password here, go to PLDT admin cell, enter PLDT admin user. Enter admin PLDT as user and enter the password that you created in user config page. And there you go. You should now get all of the options in your router, all of the advanced configurations, advanced service, port forwarding, and everything you need. Okay. Next, we will be showing you the account for Bautech routers and Uno routers. So, first, if your router doesn't look like this, it's not a ProLink router, it should probably look like this, a Bautech router. This is what a Bautech router looks like. And you can also double check by looking at the bottom of the router. It should have this logo, Bautech logo, and this is also the reset button. So, again, if the default passwords that we are showing here is not working, it's good to try resetting your router by pressing this button for 10 to 20 seconds until the lights go back on. Pag bumalik na yung lights, ibig sabihin na reset na yun. So, try nyo uli yung mga default passwords na to. So, okay, showing you for Bautech routers, this is the login page, 192.168.1.1/superhtm. So, as for me, I'm using a ProLink. So, obviously, hindi gagana sa akin yung Bautech router. Login page won't show for me because I'm using a ProLink router. So just type this. It's a bit long, so I will be leaving these two accounts in the video description para mas madali yung makopy and paste. Okay? And also for Uno routers, it has a different password but same username, remember. Adminpldt lang lagi. Adminpldt username. Okay guys, that's for Bautech and Uno routers. And next, we'll be moving on to iGateway. So, si iGateway, this is what it looks like. This is an iGateway DSL router. The lights are on the top, and it has a stand, and it's also white. So, for iGateway, this is the login page, 192.168.1.1/webproc. So again, just copy that and enter. Of course, it won't work for me because again, I'm using a different router. So for iGateway, if your router looks like this, kung ganito yung ng router nyo, ayan, ito na yung login page. Webproc, tapos adminpldt 12345678890. Hindi lang ito mahaba yung login page niya. Meron pang /webproc. So kaya siguro hindi nagwo-work yung adminpldt sa inyo is because you're only using 192.168.1.1. So if you're using iGateway, go for 192.168.1.1/webproc. And then enter adminpldt and 12345678890. Okay? And next we will go to Ultera. Ngayon, if your routers look like this, you're probably using PLDT Ultera. So for Ultera routers, we have two versions. There are white routers and there are black routers. So if you're using the white version, the username will be home Ultera and password will be home Ultera. And then sometimes it's also homebro and homebro for passwords. Basically, the username and password is the same. And then for the black version, the username and password is different. So for the black Ultera routers, username will be VOIP and password is 1234. Okay, and big reminder guys, big reminder, iba ang login page ni Ultera. So for the DSL routers and fiber, ang login page natin is 192.168.1.1. If you'll notice here, login page ni Ultera is 192.168.15.1. So take note of that as well, 15.1. 192.168.15.1. And then just enter the accounts that I've shown here, and you should be able to log in without any problems and change your password. Okay. And lastly, we're going to PLDT Fibr. So if your router looks like this, and obviously naman, it says here Fibr. It's a PLDT Fibr router. So for PLDT Fibr, just use the following accounts. Either username and password should be just admin, not 1234 for the password. Similar to home Ultera, the username and password is just the same, admin. And then if ever your fiber has a Huawei logo in it, check nyo rin kung Huawei ba yung router nyo for fiber. Then the password will be admin telecom and username will be telecom admin. Okay guys, I'll be ending it here. Hopefully this clarifies things for you. Na-clarify natin ang mga differences ng PLDT routers. And hopefully one of these 10 passwords worked for you guys. And if ever it did, please leave a comment and let us know which password worked for you and which model of router do you have, para mas malinaw sa ibang users and ma-clarify din, ma-confirm natin na nagwo-work talaga yung mga password na to sa inyo. Thank you again for watching. Please click subscribe for future tips and let me know if you have any questions or any issues and I'll try my best to help you guys. Okay? Kita-kits sa comments. See you in the next video only here on Lintech.